Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a muted word on X, formerly known as Twitter. So if there's a keyword you want to block and you don't want to be seeing those keywords popping up on your timeline, I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. First of all, you open your app, navigate to your settings and privacy. Now click on privacy and safety. Now click on mute and block. Click on muted words. As you can see right here, I already have 2 muted words blocked. If you want to add new one, click on the plus icon. Let's say you want to block something controversial. Maybe let's say you want to block something like election. Click on anyone. And for the duration, click on forever. Click on save. As you can see, we have muted the keyword election. From now on, you're not going to see any tweets that is related to election. So that's how you mute words on Twitter. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.